Welcome to a new episode of the Immigration Law Podcast. I am attorney Fabio Loscerbo. Today we examine a judgment of the Regional Administrative Court for Lazio, First Ter Section, published on 23rd February 2026, concerning a case registered under General Docket number 4952 of 2025. This decision deals with a very practical issue and, let's be clear, one that is often mishandled by the authorities: the conversion of a residence permit for minors into a work permit. The case concerns a young foreign national whose application for conversion was rejected by the police headquarters. According to the administration, he had not participated in a social integration program for at least 2 years, and he had not obtained the required opinion under Article 32 of the Italian Immigration Act. The court intervenes decisively and clarifies the legal framework. First point, there is not just one pathway for obtaining this type of conversion. The law provides two distinct alternatives. On the one hand, minors who are entrusted or under guardianship. On the other, minors who have participated in a social integration program for at least 2 years. And this is exactly where the administration made its mistake. It applied the 2-year integration requirement to a situation where it was not legally required. Second point, even more relevant in practice, the opinion of the Committee for Foreign Minors is mandatory, but it is not binding, and most importantly, it cannot automatically justify a refusal. The court makes this very clear. Any delay or failure in issuing that opinion cannot be attributed to the applicant. On the contrary, it is the administration that has the duty to obtain it ex officio as part of the administrative procedure. In this case, the applicant had also demonstrated a genuine path of integration, including lawful employment and updated supporting documentation. Despite this, the administration relied on a rigid and formalistic interpretation of the law. And this is the core message of the judgment. Immigration law cannot be applied as a mere bureaucratic mechanism. The authorities must assess each case concretely, exercising their discretion according to principles of reasonableness and proportionality. As a result, the court upheld the appeal, annulled the refusal, and ordered the administration to re-examine the case, acquire the required opinion, and verify whether the conditions for granting a residence permit are met, even under a different legal basis. This decision reaffirms a fundamental principle: individuals must not bear the consequences of administrative inefficiencies. It is the administration that must ensure the proper functioning of the procedure in compliance with the law, and when it fails to do so, the court steps in. Thank you for listening to this episode of the Immigration Law Podcast. See you next time.